TD Bank Statement. Hello everyone, it's me Rock, and in this video tutorial I'll be teaching you how to download the TD Bank Statement. For this, first of all, on your very device, you have to go to the Google Chrome on your very device. After you proceed to the Google Chrome, now in the search icon, you have to search the website of the TD.com. You can just tap on TD there, and after you tap on that, you can see the interface of the TD Online Banking Loans Credit. You have to tap on it. After tapping on it, you can see that an interface like this will appear. Now you have to tap on the right side login. After you tap on the right side login, it will take you to the next interface like this. Now here you have to tap on the option of the online banking. When you tap on the option of the online banking, now it will take you to the next portal where you have to keep on your login credentials. After you keep on your login credential, your username and your password, now it will take you to the next dashboard on your very account. You have to tap on your account and then go to the option of export, and this way your TD Bank statement will be exported. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.